continuation. So, look, I'm in the middle of these movements, after which this video is such a mix. And now I'll talk a little more about the reverse side, meaning I'm going to go a bit deeper now. And that's how I flashed it. And as for what you invited, I'll refine it a bit before inviting, and I myself as a DJ remove the excess soap, I kill it off a bit completely, because this foam will get in the way. It will start tearing the fibers. Yes, maybe it won't tear them right away, but it won't let them bond, because today it's either the back or the fins. So is it needed now or not? And I make it very thin, as I gently use to touch. It truly seems to me that it's already much less. I'll show you the precise sign now. For now, please turn the face completely inside out. Look very carefully now, and I will fully understand that maybe it looks entirely different on the outside. Look closely. Here you can already clearly see as if it has completely exploded. I am filming a very detailed close-up, and now the fine grain has widely spread over all the various surfaces we meticulously looked at and examined. And that's why you see, or rather that's what we're going to rub. We are about to embark on a thorough and meticulous cleaning operation to restore this magnificent and aesthetically pleasing environment to its pristine condition. All of this exquisite beauty, every intricate detail and charming aspect that currently graces this space, will be carefully attended to and made spotless. This extensive cleaning endeavor is absolutely essential and is being undertaken specifically in preparation for, or perhaps as a consequence of, the highly anticipated and incredibly lively foam party. The nature of a foam party, with its abundant and effervescent cells, necessitates a comprehensive cleanup to ensure the area is both safe and enjoyable for all participants, and to return it to its original unblemished state once the festivities have concluded. Therefore, the current beautiful state of affairs will be temporarily altered by the cleaning process, all in service of the upcoming, exhilarating, and undoubtedly messy foam-filled celebration. Exactly. For the foam disco, we'll finish up here with you, and then we'll throw one. Tears, dry it. Take a look. Oh, look how it's coming together, right? So, should I pour it out? Help you? Yes. It blends. With pleasure. So, I'm in position and replace these little tattoos here. Subtitles by Dinosaur. By the way, the precise time when assistance was rendered and help was provided was exactly 16:19 in the afternoon. And now, as we speak, the current time has progressed to 18:37 in the evening, indicating a significant passage of time since the initial warning. It looks truly beautiful here, a magnificent vista unfolding before our eyes. It appears to be a serene landscape, adorned with gently rolling hills that stretch across the horizon, leading our gaze towards majestic towering mountains, their peaks proudly reaching to the sky. A pristine blanket of snow covers everything, glistening under what must be a brilliant light, adding an ethereal beauty to the entire panorama. Okay. I can hardly contain my excitement. Please show it to me now. Right this very instant, I'm eager to see the full splendor. There, and just like that, in a sudden, remarkable transformation, the entire picture, which was previously indistinct or perhaps even blurry, became perfectly clear, revealing every intricate detail with stunning precision and vividness, making the scene truly come alive before our very eyes. Let's do even further, shall we now? Rinse this, so now I'm going to put the rest in the basin, and with this warm water I won't rinse out all the soap completely, but we'll get rid of the main excess because it needs to be lightened a little. It's already floating all of this, and it's hard for it to felt any further as involuntarily falls up. Yes, it removes a little of the excess soap. I want to see how it looks after all. This is a bit of a fishing thing. I rinsed it, wrung it all out. First and foremost, I commenced a thorough examination, and it's immediately apparent how significantly improved it is in its actual tangible form. It has already been meticulously drawn into the vacuum, presenting a truly beautiful and refined appearance. We are continuously in the process of learning and refining, observing it discreetly integrating into open environments. And now, This distinct and vibrant green texture has begun to manifest itself, even extending its presence to the reverse side, creating a remarkably consistent and visually appealing finish throughout. And the gauze, it also gets tucked in a bit, right? Yes, that's a very pertinent question. When considering how water might get under gloves, especially those designed to offer protection, several scenarios and mechanisms come to mind. Firstly, the most obvious pathway is through the opening at the wrist or cuff. If the glove is not properly sealed, or if the wearer's arm is submerged beyond the cuff, water can easily seep in. Secondly, the integrity of the glove material itself is crucial. Even seemingly waterproof materials can develop microscopic tears, punctures, or worn-out areas over time, and with repeated use, allowing water to slowly permeate through. Seams and stitching are also common weakpoints. If they are not perfectly sealed, or if the stitching degrades, water can find its way through these tiny apertures. Furthermore, certain types of gloves, like those made of porous materials, or those not specifically designed for wet environments, will inherently allow water to pass through. The pressure of the water can also play a role. A strong jet or deep submersion can force water through even small imperfections. So, in essence, water can get under gloves due to improper wearing, material degradation, manufacturing flaws, or simply using the wrong type of glove for the task at hand, leading to discomfort and potentially compromising the protective barrier. The gloves really help your hands glide smoothly. And it's much easier to work with them than if you don't want water to get inside. That's usually what I do. I just put on rough gloves first, like those household ones. They're very thick on their own and they don't slip. And on top of those, I put on thin ones and go about my work. You can also put some cream on your hands and felt comfortably, and at the same time do yourself a spot treatment. But you don't always feel well, rather you feel less what's under your finger, or does it not attach properly? I don't think I can feel it that well yet. By the way, without gloves. With these you feel things less, but they're so sensitive that they can pick up even a grain. When that grain melts, if it's springy, it tells you it's ready. With your hands, you don't get that sense. Especially with these particular ones, right? The patch ones, yes. Oh, I don't know. Maybe some others are easier to work. But it's these ones in particular that have this property. Little goat showed up. Initially, when you perform the action of blowing upon it, a gentle exhalation of air, it responded by being picked up, indicating a certain susceptibility to even minor air currents, and demonstrating its delicate nature. This initial interaction, a simple act of breath, was sufficient to cause it to be lifted. However, a significant change occurred with the introduction of the glass.